Many automations need to react to your team's actions, not just customer activity. This new trigger helps you build workflows that kick off the next step immediately after a team member responds, making it easier to follow up on their activity. Let's learn how to use it. Navigate to the Workflows tab inside the Automation section and create a new workflow. Add the trigger user replied. Click plus Add Filter to configure any requirements for your workflow. Select your filter fields, then select an operator and enter a value. This trigger helps you automate what happens after a team member responds, making it easier than ever to streamline internal processes, improve onboarding, and provide efficient customer care. Once a user replies to a contact through a supported conversation channel, the workflow runs automatically and can continue with actions such as notifications, tagging, assignments, or follow-up automations. We hope you enjoy it.